crash and safety tests conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety provide valuable insights into the safety performance of vehicles. The recent round of evaluations focused on updated moderate overlap, driver side small overlap, and side crash tests, showcasing how various 2024 and 2025 models measure up. Here is a detailed breakdown of the results for the tested vehicles. The 2025 Mazda CX-70 earned a good rating in the updated moderate overlap front test. This midsize SUV demonstrated excellent protection for the driver and passengers, with its reinforced structure and advanced restraint systems effectively minimizing the risk of injury in a crash. Its performance underscores Mazda's commitment to safety and innovation in its vehicle designs. The 2025 Toyota Tundra Crew Cab also achieved a good rating in the updated moderate overlap test. The full-size truck excelled in maintaining cabin integrity during impact scenarios, providing robust protection for both the driver and rear passengers. Toyota's proactive approach to integrating safety technologies has further solidified the Tundra as a safe choice in its segment. The 2025 Subaru Forester received an acceptable rating in the updated moderate overlap test. While the Forester performed well in most areas, there were slight deficiencies in passenger compartment intrusion during impact, leading to its lower rating. Subaru continues to refine its designs to enhance safety, maintaining its reputation for dependable crashworthiness. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia scored a good rating in the driver's side small overlap test. This rating reflects the car's advanced engineering, which effectively mitigates impact forces to protect the driver. Its robust design and safety features make the Crown Signia a standout among sedans in the luxury segment. The 2025 Nissan Kicks earned a good rating in the updated side crash test. Despite its compact size, the Kicks proved that safety does not have to be compromised in smaller vehicles. Its side airbags and reinforced side structures provided significant protection during the simulated side impact collision. Lastly, the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport was rated acceptable in the updated side crash test. While the Bronco Sport performed adequately overall, there were minor concerns regarding side impact protection for rear seat passengers. Ford is expected to address these issues in future iterations to maintain its competitive edge in the compact SUV category. These results from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety highlight the advancements in automotive safety, while identifying areas for further improvement, helping consumers make informed decisions.